This year certainly has been no fairy tale. It's been divisive, overwhelming, and impossible to navigate. Our worlds got smaller, while distances seemed farther than ever before. But every story has its heroes. No matter how long the journey may take, they just need time to emerge. We faced up to an unprecedented set of challenges. We adapted to a constantly shifting world. We redefined what it means to be together. If this year has taught us anything, it's that we can't do it alone. We're stronger now. More resilient. Don't wait for a future designed by others. Step forward and shape your own. We don't always choose our battles, but we do choose our response. With persistence, take the path less traveled. Plunge into deeper water. Choose the long, winding road. Reinvent your mindset and how you create to stay in constant motion. And just remember, the world is still full of wonder, of views that take our breath away, of nature that humbles the mind, of loved ones we just haven't met yet. Remember that moments can flash by in an instant, but stay imprinted in the mind for years. Turn your lifeline into a lifestyle. Push your boundaries. Carve out a piece of the sky that wasn't there before. Challenge yourself to be better. Because a better you means a stronger us.